Hi students, now we are going to discuss the arithmetic operations with the significant figures. So 4 arithmetic operations we are going to discuss. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now what are the rules when you add and subtract the numbers? So the rule for addition and subtraction. So when we add some decimal numbers having different number of significant figures and different number of decimal digits, some result we attain, is it not? Result must have the least number of decimal digits. So after decimal, how many digits we have to find out in the numbers which we are adding, and we have to retain the minimum number, okay, the number which is having the minimum decimal digits. Now for example, I will take I am going to add, so add the numbers 3.1, okay, some numbers I am going to add. So 1.780, so I will write plus 1.780 plus the third number is 2.046, okay, 2.046. So these three numbers when I add, so the first number is 3.1 plus the second number is 1.780 plus the third number is 2.046. So when I add these digits, I find that the addition is 6.926. Okay students, so how many numbers we have added? 3 numbers we have added. What is the first number? 3.1. This number is having two significant figures, and it is having only one decimal place, one decimal digit. The second number 1.780 is having 4 significant figures, but 3 decimal digits. So after the decimal, 3 digits. And the third number is 2.046 is having 4 significant figures, but only 3 decimal digits. So out of the 3 given numbers, namely 3.1, 1.780 and 2.046, which number is having the least number of decimal places on the right hand side? After the decimal, how many digits is the least? So that is this number 3.1. That means after a decimal there is only one digit. Okay, now what is the number we are getting by adding these 3 numbers? The answer is 6.926. So it is having 4 significant figures, but how many decimal digits it has? After the decimal it is having 3 digits. So though it is correct answer by calculator, say just now I have checked with the calculator, the answer is what? 6.926. But all the 4 digits, all the 4 significant digits are not permitted here. The rule says when you add the numbers, the result must contain the number of decimal places which is the least among the 3 given numbers. Among the 3 given numbers, find out which number is having the least significant digit. That many number of decimal digits only are permitted in the result. So out of the 3 given numbers, 3.1 is having only one decimal digit, but here there are 3 decimal digits, 926. We have to round it off. We have to round it off to only one decimal digit. Okay, if you want to round it off to 1, the first decimal digit, we have to see the next number. Okay, the second decimal digit. It is 2. If it is less than 5 means, then you can drop that 2 and the following 6. So that the answer is 6, okay, or here I will write the answer is equal to 6.9. that is 1 decimal digit, okay, 1 decimal digit. So why only 1 decimal digit is permitted? Because out of the 3 given numbers, 3.1 is having only 1 decimal digit. That is the correct answer, okay. Like that, now subtraction, one example I am going to take again. I am going to take the example for subtraction. So 12.637 I am going to subtract, okay. So I am going to subtract 2.42 from another number 12.637. Okay, 12.637. So this is greater number is what? 12.637 minus 2.42. So now before subtracting, you tell me the number of significant figures in the first number is 5 and the number of significant figures in the second number is 3. Similarly, the number of decimal places in the first number is how much? 6, 3, 7. There are 3 decimal digits. In this 2.42, there are only 2 decimal digits. So the result must contain here also the least number of decimal digits. So the answer must have only 2 decimal digits. So when I subtract, what is the number? It is coming 10.217. Okay, 10.217. So when I subtract, it is coming 10.217. How many decimal digits are actually contained in the answer after decimal? 1, 2, 3 decimal digits. But how many are permitted? So here only 2. 2 is the least decimal digit in the given numbers. So the answer also must contain only 2 decimal digits. So for that I have to round it off to only the second decimal digit. So I just watch the third decimal digit, that is greater than 5. So according to the rules of rounding off the digits, I can add 1 to the previous digit 1. So that the answer is now equal to 10.22. That is the answer. Have you all understood? So whenever you do the arithmetic operation, namely addition and subtraction, you have to see the result such that it contains the minimum number of decimal digits, okay, of the given numbers which are added or subtracted. Now the rule for multiplication and division is different from that of addition and subtraction. So for multiplication and division of numbers, you should maintain, see, the result must have the least number of significant figures. Here number of decimal digits is not considered. The number of significant figures we have to find out. Now I say, for example, I am going to multiply 2 numbers. Okay, I will multiply 2 numbers. Okay, so the first number. So this is the first number is 1.21 and 3672. So 1.21. Okay, and 36.72. For example, I have considered. Okay, so these 2 numbers I am going to multiply. Before multiplying, you tell me in this number 1.21, how many significant figures are there? There are 3 significant figures. Now we need not bother about the decimal digits. Okay, decimal digits are over by addition and subtraction. So here 1, 2 and 3 significant figures. Like that 36.72, 4 significant figures are there. So which is the least number of significant figures, 3 or 4? It is 3. So the answer must contain 3 significant figures only. So I am going to multiply. So 1.21 into 36.72. So 36.72. So if I will multiply these numbers means 44.4312. 44 point, okay, so the multiplication is 44.4312 is coming. You see here how many significant figures are there for this product? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant figures are there. But 1.21, that is having only 3 significant figures. So the answer is having 6. We have to reduce this to what? 3 significant figures only. Understand? So I go to the the fourth significant figure. So this number is less than 5. Therefore I can drop all these numbers beyond this 4. So the answer must be equal to what? 44.4. 44.4. So this number is having how many significant figures? Only 3 significant figures. Okay. Now one more example I will take for the division. For division, I am going to divide two numbers. So I am going to divide. So 36.72. So 36.72. Okay. By any number, let us take 1.2, the least number, for example, 1.2. So I am going to divide 36.72 by 1.2. Okay. You just look at the two given numbers. This 36.72 is having 4 significant figures, but 1.2 is having only 2 significant figures. So the answer must contain how many significant figures? Only 2, is it not? So let us find out now. So 36.72 divided by 1.2. That is equal to, so when I divide, the answer is coming as 30.6. 30.6. So how many significant figures are in this 30.6? 3 significant figures. But can we permit 3 significant figures as per the rules? No. One of the given numbers is having only 2 significant figures, that is the least. So the answer must also contain only 2 significant figures. So the third digit is 6. Okay. First digit is 3, second digit is 0, third digit is greater than 5. So I can add 1 to the previous digit and I can round this off to 31. So 31 is the correct answer because it is having the number of significant figures which is the least, that is 2. Have you all understood the rules first of all? Shall we go to one numerical problem based on the rules now? Yeah. Now I am going to find the value of pi square. Okay. Find the value of pi square to correct significant figures. This is a usual branded question in the board examination. Okay. So we can take the value of pi as 3.14. So pi square is equal to 3.14 into 3.14. Okay, students. So 3.14 into 3.14 we are going to multiply. So before multiplying these numbers, you tell me 3.14 is having how many significant figures? 3 significant figures. Okay, each pi value is having 3 significant figures. So what is the actual answer? Let us find out. So 3.14 multiplied by 3.14 is found to be 9.8596. Okay, 9.8596. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. In the answer, how many significant figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant digits are there. But out of the 2 given numbers, both are same. That is having only 3 significant figures. So the answer must contain only 3 significant figures. So the fourth digit is 9, which is greater than 5. So I can add 1 to the previous digit. So this is rounded off as 9.86. That is the answer. Okay, my dear students, I want to summarize the rules now. So the arithmetic operations with significant figures, you should be thorough with the rules. For addition and subtraction of decimal digits or numbers, the result must contain the least number of decimal digits or decimal places. Okay. Okay. For multiplication and division, the result must have the least number of significant figures. Will you remember? Okay. Bye.